first install XAMPP for our local server, XAMPP. We're gonna search Google with it, and you should see the ApacheFriends.org. We'll go there. Since I'm using Windows, I'm gonna download the Windows version right here. Yeah, it's gonna download. Now we will find a WordPress. Search Google with the WordPress. Okay, not this one, not WordPress.com. We're gonna go inside WordPress.org. Yeah, get WordPress, and we should download it. Yeah, you will always get the latest version from here. So after the downloads, we should get these files. This one is the XAMPP, and this one WordPress. So we'll try to install XAMPP first. Let's see what happens. So I'm gonna just use all default settings. That's it. Just okay. Next, and next. Yeah, this one I don't need to learn, so I can skip that. But it's not important. You can also check it. Okay, so our installation is started for the XAMPP. Now we will extract our WordPress file right here. Yeah, we should get a folder like this WordPress. Okay, we'll go inside the folder. Let's see. Yeah, this is the file wp config sample. We're gonna rename this. We'll remove the sample and just keep the wp config.php. Yeah, that should do it. Now we'll open this file. Okay, and rename these values. Give a name. We're gonna change it to test because that's the default database that's gonna come with the XAMPP. And user, we should change it to root, just root. And the password, we'll leave the password field blank. So it should be, because this is by default there is no password for the root user. So we'll just save it and quit this. You can use any text editor. I have used Dreamweaver. You can use any, like Notepad or anything you use. Okay, I think the installation is finished. So after the installation, we'll go inside the C drive. And since I have installed it inside C drive, you can see the folder name XAMPP. Yeah, this is the folder that contains every file of this local server. We'll go inside this folder, and right at the bottom you will see XAMPP control.exe. This one is the file we will use to start our server. Okay, start Apache and MySQL. We will right now we'll just need these two. Okay, now we will go inside the htdoc folder, and you can see many things there already came with the package. We don't need those. So we'll copy our WordPress folder, the entire folder, and we'll paste it, and we'll paste it inside the htdocs. That's it. Yeah, so now we can access this folder from our browser. Let's see. In the browser, we'll type localhost and /WordPress, because the folder name is WordPress and localhost is the htdocs folder. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is the WordPress installation page. I will leave everything to default English language, site title, anything like some test title, username for ease. I will use test, and password also test. Confirm, you can use anything. Confirm password, yeah, is a week, so I'm gonna use the confirm password. And email, any email. So install should be very quick. Done. So installation is complete, and we'll log in the WordPress we just installed. username test and password test. That's it. You have installed WordPress and you can see your site, localhost WordPress. Uh, you can install any plugin from the plugins menu. Search here and install the plugin you need. So one more thing I'm going to show you is we can check the database used to install this WordPress by going in this URL, localhost php my admin. Just type it in your browser and enter. Okay, so this is the database we used test. You can see the tables WordPress created. So that's the one I wanted to show you. So hope you guys get it useful.